Alright guys, so what is up? This is my official first Motovlog test run of the new GoPro Hero 7. I, honest to God, have not looked at this footage yet on a computer, so I haven't really seen how the quality is or anything like that, but I am doing what I know how to do best, which is 1080p in super view. This camera comes with 1440, but you can only shoot in the wide view, and I think that I'm going to try it today, but I think that is just like too close in for this first person type of view. So I'm going to try the super view, I'm going to try the wide, and at the end of the day I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this camera. So far, if I'm just being 100% honest, the live is super confusing. I can't set up the YouTube stream, the Facebook stream says something about Bluetooth, and yes, I know everything about the hotspots on them and everything, so it's just super difficult. And after watching Photogrammer's review on it too, he's having problems with it, so hopefully this can be fixed within the next like month or two, and it's just a simple update on the GoPro. But so far, it's been a real pain in the ass because I'm really looking forward to bringing you guys YouTube live streams. Right now, we're heading to the lot. We're going to go do some stoppies, some wheelies, test out some Harleys, the new 636, and of course my 0304, and basically get some cool footage and try to do an honest and good review of this GoPro for you guys. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, what is going on? Just got to the stunt spot here, letting the bike warm up. Figured I'd take you through a little thing that I always do before I ride that I don't, I think I said it in a video like a year and a half ago or something like that. I always make sure to stretch out my wrists. So I do a few of these, bend them. You want to promote blood flow to your wrists. And then just the basic flamingos, stretch out your quadriceps. So do your flamingos and then do your touch your toes. So you stretch out your hamstrings, your muscles in the back of your leg. Stretching out and stuff like that will always help promote you staying safe and pretty much making sure you're stretched out, getting blood flow to all those areas, and it prevents injuries because your muscles are already stretched out. So let's get to this. I'm going to change the view on this video quite a few times. In between the 1440 wide view on this GoPro 7 and the 1080p super view. Like I said before, basically I just wanted to see the quality between the two, and of course this camera either way has the new stabilization in it, which I'm pretty excited to see as well. So I guess let's ride, baby. So I guess I'll just talk about the camera while I'm doing some of this stuff. The live, like I said right at the beginning of this video, was kind of disappointing on how difficult it was to set up. In between the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth or whatever, I'm not saying anything bad about the GoPro app, but the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth setup was just hard to understand. It really was. I'm still figuring it out. Other motovloggers are still figuring it out. So I hope it is just as easy as a simple call to GoPro or this or that, but I've linked my GoPro Hero 5, 6, whatever, both of them, to the GoPro Hero app before. I've never really had a problem with it. The app itself seems extremely nice on how it lets you set up your YouTube Live or your Facebook Live on your phone. But like I said, I hope it's just a phone call away and that's easy, but so far everyone's having some difficulty with it, which my main selling point on this GoPro was being able to live stream. So right now I'm just basically testing out the video stabilization and hoping that the 1080p super view is the same as it was on the 5. And also, here's another huge thing, the audio. I hope the audio quality is about the same as well. you guys know any motovloggers that use the GoPro Hero 5 or 6 and or yourself, you know that there's this stupid little mic box. It's like a black box that the GoPro Hero 4 didn't have. Yes, you're going to have to use that with the 7. As long as you're hearing me right now, you're going to have to use that box. It's something that GoPro has always had. Ever since they pretty much updated the 4 to the 5, they made you get rid of the little wire that used to be the little mic adapter. And now it's turned into a pretty substantial black box. Kind of a hassle. It mounts on the side of my helmet. I've had it there forever. But yeah, it's compatible with the 7 as well, so you're gonna have to need one of those as well if you plan on motovlogging with the 7, which if you're watching this video, you probably have some interest in. Doing some wall stalls here. Alright guys, so here will be the official test, I guess. I'll do a high chair, same direction, same everything. 1 in 1080p super view. 1 in 440 high chair scrape. And see how we like the two. And here you go, here's 1440 wide, high chair. High chair scrape, maybe? High chair scrape, there you go. So there's your two fields of view. Here's your two fields of view. It'll be really cool to use this 1440 because I know it is, of course, a better quality. It'd be cool to use it, but I know it messes with the aspect ratio. It brings the 16:9 to a 4:3 or something like that. So maybe not the best for laptops, maybe better for social media or Instagram or something like that. As you can tell, when I was doing all those wall stalls, there was chalk all over it, so I'm covered in chalk, which is, you know, totally part of the video. Great, awesome. At least it's not like grease or something like that, so. What up? Standing straight up? Oh, that's easy. Thanks, man. We're out here testing out the new GoPros. We're not getting in the way or anything, are we? Cool. I feel like most people are like that. I told her to get on the back. She looked at me like she's like, oh my god, no. Good times, good times.
That's your YouTube channel?
Yeah. I do YouTube.
See me pop on there, I'm probably gonna subscribe to it.
Absolutely, man. I appreciate that.
Which bike is the fastest?
You're here. Which one's fastest?
Which one, yeah?
They're the same bike.
Out of all three of them.
These.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like 75 horsepower.
Fuck yeah, I love that shit.
You like the Harleys?
My wife won't let me get one.
Really? Alright guys, so I guess that about does it for this GoPro Hero 7 review. Just hanging out here on the rail. I hope this footage turns out good. Doing a little bit of low light setting here. And yeah, I hope this camera is what all the hype is about it, and I hope it's just not a bunch of paid creators saying it's the best thing since sliced bread. So we'll check out the quality, see what happens. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, please leave a like, please leave a comment. It really does help, and I always read and respond to most of them, so it's not like you guys are just talking to a wall. I hate creators that do that, but yeah, you guys are not talking to a wall with me. So please like and share the video if you guys liked it. But this is Brian636 saying peace.